Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app makes it easy to purchase park tickets and add a lightning lane multi-pass for shorter waits at select attractions. So you can buy both together before you visit, or in some cases purchase or upgrade to lightning lane multi-pass later through the app. In this guide I will show you step by step how to buy park tickets and lightning lane multi-pass in Disneyland mobile, perfect for the first time Disneyland visitors. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app. Okay, sign into your Disney account, tap the buy tickets option, or open the menu and select tickets and passes. Okay, so as you can see here, tickets and passes in the left right corner. You are ready to begin your purchase now, so select your park ticket. Okay, so select the number of guests, choose the number of park days, and select your preferred ticket type such as one park per day or park hopper. Choose your visit dates if prompted and review your selections before continuing. Okay, so add lightning lane multipass like during checkout or from an eligible ticket upgrade screen. Locate the lightning lane multipass add-on and select the guests who will receive it, and review the additional costs. Okay, so the lightning lane multipass will be added to your eligible tickets purchase. Some eligible tickets can also be upgraded later through the app. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.